Hello, thank you so much for enrolling in the After Effects CC course. I'm so excited to have you here. In this really quick video, I just want to welcome you, talk about how this course works, talk about the project files you're going to be working with, and just have a quick important message about how you can help me make this course even better. First, how is this course laid out? Well, it starts as if you are a complete beginner. I assume that you know nothing about After Effects. So in the first sections of the course, we walk through some of the basics, just getting started with the workspace, using the basic tools, but we do jump pretty quickly into how you start animating. And then each section tackles a different aspect of using After Effects, starting with the more beginner things like motion graphics and kinetic typography, moving to more advanced things like visual effects, rotoscoping, character animations, and expressions. In this first section of the course, you will have access to all of the project files. And so in that lesson, download all of the project files. They'll include videos, photos, graphics, and the After Effects projects themselves. Now I'm using at this time the latest version of After Effects, which is the 2017 version. If you have a previous version, that's totally fine. You can build all of these animations from scratch, but the project files won't work if you are using a previous version, especially if you're using a CS6, CS5 or something from before. Even if you're using a future version of After Effects, it should be completely fine. All of the project files should work, and all of the things we teach in this class are still applicable to you too. If you ever have a problem or a question, feel free to post it to the class. I'm here to help you. You can post it directly to the class page or send me a message. Myself or a TA will get back to you usually within a day or two. The last thing I want to mention in this video is that I know when I launch a course, it's not going to be perfect, and I need feedback from students like you to make it even better. So if there's something that I missed, something that I went over too quickly, something that I didn't cover the right way, just let me know. I want to make sure this is the perfect course for you. So send me a message and let me know how I can improve it. Thank you so much for enrolling in this class. I'm so excited to have you here. In the next lessons, you'll download your project files, and then you're going to actually jump right in to doing something really cool with After Effects, animating your name. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next lesson.